Hi, it's Michelle with Pink and Main. Thanks for joining me today. We are almost about halfway there with opening our advent calendar. We're on day number 12. 25, really, like 12 and a half. So we'll just say we're about halfway there. I can't wait to see what's in day number 12. I hope you can't wait either. So let's get started. I've got bag number 12 here. And I think I'll do some creating tomorrow. So be sure to join me tomorrow to open day number 13. Oh, look at this. So day number 12, we have 3 dies. Let's take these out so we can see them a little easier. It's 3 sizes of star dies. These are like little poofy stars. They're not like straight lines with pointy corners. They're a little bit poofy, so they're cute. Love them. Can't wait to create with them. Lots you can do with star dies, right? Thanks so much for joining me today. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. We'll do a little creating and open day number 13. Until then, keep living the creative life. Have a good night.